Assalamualaikum and good evening to Dr. Khadijah. We from Group 7 will present about the building construction that we choose, which is Penang Bridge. For introduction, Penang Bridge, also known as Sultan Abdul Halim Muazzam Shah Bridge, is one of the iconic structures in Malaysia. It connects Penang Island with Seberang Perai on the mainland of Peninsular Malaysia. The construction of the bridge began in 1982 and was complete in 1985, with a total length of around 30.5 kilometers. It is one of the longest bridges in Southeast Asia. In the construction of Penang Bridge, reinforced cement concrete (RCC) is widely used. RCC is a composite material that combines concrete and steel reinforcement to improve the material's tensile strength, making it suitable for a wide range of construction applications. Reinforced concrete can withstand greater loads and provide better resistance to cracks and structural damage, making it an ideal choice for the construction of large structures such as bridge.
My name is Nuriza binti Barishan, metric number 292059. Next, detailed analysis of the material, first with the backbone of our structure. Poland cement, chosen for its abstention, compressive strength, and durability. Poland cement ensures our brick can withstand enormous loads over its depend. Minimization, maintenance costs, and increasing long-term savings. Moving on the aggregates, the mechanical strength of our concrete relies on carefully selected clay, stone, core sand, and gravel. Their combination forms a robust mix that support the brigade structure integrity under heavy loads. Water, a critical component, must be clean and carefully balanced in the mix to facilitate proper grammar. Cement hydration without compromising strength. Physical property essential for stability. Firstly, density plays a pivotal role with our concrete boasting a density of 240 kg. This high density fortifies the brick against heavy traffic and environmental forces like wind and seismic activity, safeguarding against structural compromise. Next, porosity is minimized to mitigate water and chemical infiltration, crucial for preventing corrosion of steel. Reinforcements and maintaining strength amidst changing weather conditions. Turning to mechanical property, our concrete excels in compressive strength, exceeding 40 MPa. This robust strength underpins the brick's ability to support heavy loads safely and reliably. Inside strength reinforces by steel ribs and pre-stressing cables, enhances resilience against tensile force, ensuring structural integrity over time. Modules of electricided ensure our concrete can withstand deformation under stress, return for long-term durability and minimizing micro cracks. In terms of durability factor, our concrete formulation incorporated chloride barriers and additives like silica fumes and fly ash. This protects against corrosion from seawater and chemical attack, while enhancing resistance to freezing and thawing cycles. Moreover, had a greater resist operation from vehicular traffic, prolonging the bike's service life and maintaining road surface integrity.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nuriza binti Muhammad with metric number 292016. I will continue the next, which is the production and process detail. So in the production and process detail of the type of reinforced cement concrete RCC used to build the Penang Bridge, several important techniques are used starting from the beginning of preparation to the final process. Okay, the technique will start with the first one, which is the collection of concrete. Before starting the concrete mixing, the process of testing and measuring materials such as cement and coarse and fine aggregate must be done according to mass or volume using a material weighing balance. Next, the second step is the concrete mixing technique. Before concrete is mixed, design decisions need to be made correctly and carefully. Concrete mixing is the use of flotation or irrigation methods to coat the surface of all aggregate particles with cement, paste, and compact all concrete materials into a uniform mass. The third step is the transport, placement, and compaction of concrete, where after the mixing is complete, the concrete needs to be transported from the batching plant to the pouring location through the transit mixer and then pour onto the work site like a cube in 3 different layers, with each layer needing to be hit as many as 25 times. After that, it needs to be compact using mechanical vibrating equipment. It is important to ensure that the strength, permeability, and durability properties of the hardened concrete are those of the actual structure. Next, which is the fourth step, is the concrete curing. In this process, the concrete will be preserved by being protected or prevent from losing moisture for a certain period where it is kept in a reasonable temperature range to ensure complete hydration of the cement and hardening. The fifth is the concrete strength test. Samples in the form of cubes should be taken measuring 15 centimeters times 15 centimeters times 15 centimeters from the cured concrete. The type of concrete will determine the strength of the cube according to the IS 456 acceptance criteria and is considered to meet the strength requirements. The sixth step is concrete finishing, where the concrete finishing process needs to be done during the removal of the mold to correct any defect that arises immediately, and the closed surface also needs to be smoothed with a wooden float to produce a good finish. The seventh step is mold work. Formwork for concrete shall be of plywood meeting IS 6461 or steel and capable of providing a smooth surface after removal. Its supports must be properly positioned, rigged, and adequately braced horizontally and diagonally. And they must also be of the correct profile and shape so that the final concrete structure is within dimensional tolerance limit. The eighth step is reinforcing steel, where before it is placed, the bar bending table must be prepared and approved by the EIC. Reinforcement should be cut and bent according to shape and dimensions as per BBS or drawing. Everything needs to be properly installed and supported to prevent shifting when the concrete is moved and finished. There are several challenges during the preparation and processing of this type of concrete. Among them is transportation, which is a challenge when the task of transporting to the construction site is at a long distance, and loss of workability, which costs quite a lot. Efforts to overcome this include the use of appropriate transport such as ready-mix truck with a mixer, carefully planning with a delivery schedule to minimize delays, and considering using retarders to extend workability and other than that. That's all from me. Thank you.
In the construction of Penang Bridge, there are 3 methods that used to test the concrete in order to get a strong concrete that's suitable for bridge construction. The first one is compressive strength test. This test is performed either on a cube or a cylinder by breaking the concrete specimen in compression testing machines. And the second one is slump test. This test is used to determine the workability or consistency of concrete mix. The equipment required for the slump test are a slump cone, non-porous base plate, measuring plate, and temperature rod. And lastly is the rapid chloride permeability test. This test is crucial especially for marine construction that mostly exposed to chloride ions from seawater. It's involved in preparing, curing cylindrical concrete specimen. For the next one is architectural significance of the Penang Bridge. The type of the Penang Bridge is combination of a cable stayed and girder bridge. A cable-stayed bridge employs towers and cable for supporting itself major spans while utilizing girder for shorter sections as well as approach spans. Cable-stayed bridge give advantages because of their efficient design and structural integrity. They offer immediate deck support, handle heavier loads, and have visually appealing design.
In conclusion, through the study of building construction, we have learned that concrete, which is RCC, is an indispensable material to its versatility, strength, and durability. This knowledge reinforces the critical role of material selection and construction methodologies in the successful execution of building projects. Through the use of RCC, the Penang Bridge can stand firmly until today. That's all from us. Thank you.